Welcome back. Today I will solve some problem of exercise 2.3 in chapter relation and function. Question number first. Which of the following relation or function? Relation or function. Give reasons. If it is a function, determine its domain and range. Domain and range. Question number first. Part of first. Given order pair 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1 and 14, 1, 17, 1. In given ordered pair first entry are not same. Therefore it is a function. It is a function. In a given order pair 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1, 17, 1. First entry, any first component. Any first component 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. It has not same component. Therefore it is a function. That domain is equal to domain is equal to first entry 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and range R is equal to second component or second entry is called range. Second component 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So range is 1. This is answer. Question number 2. Part of 2. So function order pair 2, 1 and 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 16, 6, 14, 7. In the given order pair first component first component are not same, therefore it is a function. It is a function. So domain 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 D F is equal to domain, second part, domain is equal to first component 2 comma this 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 comma 16 comma 14 and range R is equal to second component of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. This is range. And part of third, given order pair 1 3 and 1 5 and 2 5. So in given order pair 1 1 3 and 1 5 of component of first entries are same, therefore it is not function, but it is relation. It is a relation but not a function, because first component are same. First component order pair first component 1, order pair second component first part, these are same. It is not a function, but they are relation. Question number 2, find the domain and range of the following real function. First part, fx is equal to minus mod of ax. Solution of first, see fx is equal to minus x. Let fx is equal to y. So y is equal to minus mod of x. So x belong to a real number. From equation first, define for all value x belong to R. So domain is equal to R. Domain is equal to R. This is answer. And again y less than or equal to 0. So y is equal to R minus mod of x less than or equal to 0. So therefore x belong to R, and also y belong to R. So every range R is equal to y such that y less than or equal to 0 and y belong to R. This is a range. Question number 3. A function f is defined by fx is equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the value of first part f0, second f7, third f minus 3. Let us start this solution of given question. Given function fx is equal to 2x minus 5. So first part f0 put x is equal to 0, put fx, first part fx f0, so 2 into 0 minus 5 into 0 minus 5 will get 5. This is first answer. And also second part fx is equal to 2x minus 5 when x is equal to this, and f7 is equal to 2 into 7 minus 5, 14 minus 5, 9. This is answer. And also part of third fx is equal to 2x minus 5 given function. Now put f minus 3, x is equal to minus 3, put here. So 2 into minus 3 minus 5, so minus 2 minus 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 11. This is answer. Question number 4. The function t which maps temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit if defined by T Celsius in 9C upon 5 plus 32 given function, and find value of these. So now let us start this solution part of first. So given function t c is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. So first part t0 when c is equal to 0. Then now put put 9 into 0 upon 5 plus 32. So get 0 plus 32 is equal to 32. This is first part of answer. Put 0 in this place 9 into 0.5 will get 0 plus 32, 0 plus 32 is equal to 32. And also second part, given t function tc is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32 and put t is equal to 28. 9 into 28 divided by 5 plus 32. So now 9, 8, 72, 9 to 18, 18 plus 7, 25 plus 5, 5 2 जा 10, 5 3 जा 15, 160 divided by 5 is equal to 2, 11 and 4 upon 5. So 5, 8, 5, 2, 5, 4. This is value of T28. This is answer. And also part third, given function Tc is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. So value T is equal to c minus 10. 9 into minus 10 upon 5 plus 32. So 5 to 10, 9 to 18 plus 32 is equal to 14. This is answer. And at last part 4, part of 4. So now given function Tc is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32 and value of Tc is equal to 212. Now this value put here, 212 is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32 and 9c upon 5 is equal to 212 minus 32. So 0, 11, 8 and 1. So 9c upon 5 is equal to 180. So divide by 1, multiply, cross, we get c is equal to 180 multiply by 5 and divide by 9. 9 to 18 is equal to 9 to the 18 and 0, and c is equal to 20 into 5 is equal to 100. So temperature 100 degree Celsius. This is answer of last part. Find the range of the each of the following function. Question number first part, fx is equal to 2 minus 3x and x belong to R, x greater than 0, x greater than 0. So given function this, given x greater than 0, so multiply by 3 both side, or 3x 3 into 0, 3x greater than 0 or minus 3x 0, so 2 minus 3x greater than 2 or y greater than 2. This 2 minus 3x is y is equal to minus 3x. So this value put here, y greater than 2. So range is equal to take value 2 minus infinite, minus infinite to 2, minus infinite to 2, and also or f x is equal to 2 minus 3x. So put or y is equal to 2 minus 3x or 3x is equal to 2 minus y. X is equal to 2 minus y upon 3. Put y is equal to 0, get value of x real number, and put y is equal to 2, so value of y taking value 2 1 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2, so dot dot infinite. So range is equal to range or f is equal to 2, so n minus infinite. So minus infinite to value of y minus infinite to 2. This is answer of given function. And also second part of function, second, fx is equal to x square plus 2, and x is a real number. It is possible or defined as fx is defined when x greater than 0. X greater than 0 or squaring both sides, x square greater than 0, or adding to both side, so x square plus 2 greater than 0 or plus 2, so x square plus 2 greater than 2, so x square plus y is equal to fx greater than 2. Fx means y greater than 2. So range RF is equal to 2 to infinite, to open interval infinite. This value put here. And second part of this third part, fx is equal to x x is a real number. So y is equal to x. So x belong to R, y belong to R. Therefore, range R f is equal to R for all y belong to R. This is answer. That's all.